Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to be giving you an overview of this camera, video recorder, picture taker, food bird feeder. So this is a bird feeder that has a integrated camera, video, and it can be powered via solar. So it's completely self-contained if you want to go that route. Let me give some specs on it. So the first thing to note is the solar panel. So this has an extension that's about 12 feet roughly from the actual bird feeder, which I'm going to share how this connects here in a sec, and it will just consistently run. Now you do have the option of just running this and hardwiring this into, whatever device you want to hook it up to. You can definitely do that if you want to go that route. On the back, it has a waterproof connection, water resistant, we'll say, because you don't want to submerge this. But if it's out in the elements, you can do that. This is connected via the old Wi-Fi. So when it is connected, it's connected to the Wi-Fi wherever this is located, and then it has a integrated app, which is very, very cool. That will record pictures, videos, and a whole bunch of fun stuff. This thing allows you to, and I'm going to share how it looks here in a sec, outside mounted. So you have this section on top where this is just where you put all the food. You just dump all the food in there, close that down, and then it comes out here in the tray. There is the standing area right here where the food goes. So if it is outside in the elements and there's water that falls on this, it doesn't pool up, it drains through. So the bird feed, if you will, can always kind of stay dry, or if it does get wet, it can drip dry. And that's if there's too much here. Then there's additional spots here to put additional food. You would have to like manually put it in there. And then the bird, maybe a squirrel, can stand here and eat, and then the camera would be right here. Pretty cool stuff. So the way the camera system works is this. Also, on the top here, you have an option of putting in a micro USB right there in the top. That is not provided, at least with this model. There is cloud storage capability and some other cool things. But that definitely is an option. This slides in, snaps in place, and then there is the camera right there for day or nighttime usage, which is really cool, especially if you get, animals that are nighttime animals and they're in here. There is a motion sensor, which will actually pick it up and videotape what's going on. It can also be set up with the app to where when there is motion right here, like very close to this, it will automatically turn on and take pictures, it'll take videos, and it has a whole bunch of cool features that are associated with that. There's a couple different ways this can be mounted. If there is a pole mount, you have this whole thing on the bottom here, it can be removed. So if you had like a PVC pole or something that was in the ground, you want to sit this on top, definitely can do that, especially if you're trying to like not let squirrels get to it. And you have like a contraption that makes it hard for squirrels to climb up. You could do that as well. You could also mount this via this. So if you wanted to mount this to a wall, this swivels around. So if you wanted to mount it sideways, let's just say the wall was here and you want to bolt this up against that, it does come with anchor hardware, so it can be bolted here, and then it can be facing this way, or depending on how tight you have it, it can face out this way as well. It also comes with provided straps that are pretty industrial type straps, to where if you wanted to have this, let's just say it was a tree and you want to drill into the tree or anything, tree here, wrap the straps around it and you're good to go. Or if you had a pole, or if you had anything for that matter that was already a structure and you didn't want to drill into it, then the straps can hold it nice in place there. Very, very cool. Because of the volume of this has a ton of bird feed space. So besides the actual full color video where you can see there, that would be like the bird would be standing there capturing it. You have audible alarms. So you can set up alarms, sounds, so you can actually hear, so if there's a bird that was chirping or making noise or whatever, you could actually hear the sounds there. There are just a lot of features. You can turn on a light. So if it is at night and you want to turn a light on, you can definitely do that. There is a log in here. So when an event happens, like a bird goes in there, event happens, those are all kind of logged and saved in the library that it has, which is just easy to navigate with a couple clicks of a mouse. Very, very cool. There's also integrations with extra stuff that you can get through the app that will actually take a picture of a bird and it will tell you what that kind of bird is, which is really cool. So if you don't have to look it up. You can be like, oh, and then through the app integration, which is optional, doesn't come with it, but is optional, then you could just be like, oh, that's a red robin or that's a blue jay or whatever it is, just to kind of help speed up the knowledge process of whatever it is. Might even be a chipmunk. So just some very, very cool features. All in all, having the ability to set it and forget it and get notifications is really cool. The actual clarity of it is very clear. I mean, so which was really cool. So if something gets into view, it's not grainy. Like you have a very clear picture as to what it is that might be, 6 inches away from the camera. And it's kind of cool because the bird or whatever it might be is like literally it's staring at the camera, like real close to it. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you tell us what you think? Give us a review. Tell us really what you think about our camera Wi-Fi integrated solar powered bird feeder. Hopefully any and all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.